Hi, so as you know, today we're gonna make an elephant Pokemon. Its name is Phanpy. So, because the body color is kinda like very light blue, so I'm gonna need the white clay to mix with a very little amount of dark blue clay. So, I'm gonna mix it. Yeah, just look at the color blending right there. It brought me the vibe of beach. Yeah, I was missing my beach so much since I moved to Hungary. So, okay, I've done it. So with this type of clay I'm using, it's kind of easy just to mix it, and it's soft. Okay, so I'm done it. I'm just gonna split it into two parts. One for the body and the head, and the other one I use it for the ear and the legs. So, okay, we have the parts right there. I'm just adjusting it so it would be, well, as I expected it to be. Okay, so we have it right there. I'm gonna shape it into two parts. As you can see, we have two parts there, and I am making the nose of the elephant. Elephant? Okay, elephant. Alright, so you have the nose right there. Well, I just don't know if here they call it nose or the straw like we call it in Vietnam. Yeah, it's kind of funny because straw and the nose of elephant is kind of the same in Vietnam. Okay, so I've got it done. The nose, tail, the head, and the body shape. I'm using some water just to soften it a little bit so it won't leave any scratches there. So done. That's kinda good, huh? Okay, so now we're making the legs. I am splitting it up into 4 pieces. So these two for the front legs. Look at that, I'm shaping it. So we have 2 little legs there. Yeah, as you can see, I'm using water a lot just to soften it, because this type of clay it dries so fast in the dry air. I'm adjusting it a bit so it would be, well, as good as I expected. So with these 2 other legs, I've made it a little bit bigger so it will leave the contrast. So basically we have it done. Okay, now I'm taking it off, putting it aside, and then I'm going to make the ears. Okay, I'm shaping them into the water drop shape, so it's gonna be as close as possible to the original shape. Okay, well, do you think it seals it? Yeah, I kinda think so. Well, and I kinda like it because it's kinda cute. The ratio between the ear and the head. It has very big ears, like Dumbo. Yeah, like Dumbo in the cartoon. Okay, so what I am doing is marking the place where I try to put the legs and the ear on. So yeah, because it's kind of air dry clay. So when I'm doing this, it's drying. Yeah, it's drying as well, so it's not gonna stick together. So I'm marking it, and later on, after drying, I can glue it up. Well, talking about gluing it up, the glue I use is kind of like just like plastic glue, normal glue. Okay, so now I have orange and red here because, well, in my opinion, the stripes, they're kind of like something between red and orange. So I'm just gonna mix it up. So yep, as you can see, I'm comparing it to the color. Well, not compare, but gosh, I do need to practice a bit. Okay, so we have the first very big stripe. I'm gonna put it there. Well, does it look like the original Phanpy to you? I hope so. So okay, good. Oh, it's very cute already. I'm taking it off to let it dry. So with this one, I'm splitting it up into 4 pieces. So into water drop shape as well. So I'm gonna put it there because this reddish clay, they are like new and I didn't left them long enough to dry out, so they're gonna stick to the ear, so I don't have to glue them up later on. So we are going with the eyes. I have the black one. So what I'm doing is making the eyeball, the oval eyeball shapes. Yeah, we have 2 pieces that kind of like the same size. Putting it up as prettiest as I can do. As prettiestly? Gosh, no. As beautifully as I can do. Okay, so next time when I'm recording this video, I'm gonna need the dictionary just to look at the words. Okay, so we have the the inner eye stuff. Putting it there. I'm making them a bit bigger than the original because I think that it will make it look more cute. Well, and it does. Oh, okay, so I forgot to make a toe. Well, I almost forgot it. Okay, so we have 2 legs and of course 2 toes. So I'm just, I just speed it up because it's boring just to look at me making same stuff 4 times. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there and let it dry. Well, the aluminum foil, just something just to put it there. You can use anything for that. And 24 hours later. Ta-da! So we have everything here to make it. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the... Oh, okay, I forgot to mark the stripes. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there because it's kind of easy to put there, so not much to worry about. Now I'm finishing up everything, putting it up there, and well, we've done it. Look at that, the cute little thing. Well, how does it look to you? Is it cute enough? Okay, so, well, actually yesterday I've done another one just for review. Well, I don't know, but the first one, it seems cuter to me. It's smaller with a bigger head compared to its body. Yeah, look at that. But you can see the improvement in the stripes on the ear, so they look like more like real. Okay, I'm just gonna draw the nose hole. Okay, screw it. Okay, so we're done. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press like. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe me. And if you have anything in mind, just please leave it in the comment section.